Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Agu, and today I'm going to be doing some SHELLSHOCK live
guys.
with... Shut up! With Taylor and Arctic. James is too busy wanking and, you know, probably doing his hair.
He's too busy.
Right, no, let me sort this out.
Let's join team 1.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will come to club to feed himself and family.
Only joking. Alright, for the double snake.
Hey guys, Taylor here, and today
Hey guys.
we're
Hey
playing
guys, it's Taylor here.
SHELLSHOCK with
Yay.
these
Ooh, magnets. I want magnets.
Banter.
Russ Rex.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, PewDiePie here. Oh, that's
Aki,
not
you
good.
wish you was Pewdie.
Yeah, man.
PewDiePie's gonna sue me after this video.
Oh my days.
That literally took all my health. Already.
my days.
Yeah, I'm going for him as well.
Oh
Anyway,
my
I'm gonna
days.
do
I got free. I shouldn't have used that, should I? I'd seen
9
Oh,
damage, you
whoops.
say?
Oh, whoops.
I like bananas.
Oh,
Respect
Rod.
this kid.
Look where Rod is.
What?
I don't think they noticed.
How did he get there?
Oh, they did.
Teleport.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, I
I'm
didn't
gonna
realise
shank
that you
this
could
kid.
do that. Oh, I'm gonna use static on this call. I'm sorry guys that I haven't like recorded in a while. I
Yeah, he should
haven't
just go
been
kill
bothered.
himself because he's that bad.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you
look,
should
it's
just
just,
go
you know, like
YouTube
homework
now.
in year 10 is a bit of a drag.
No, it's
Shut
not.
up!
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Basically, what he's trying to say is he gets bullied.
I get bullied loads all the time.
JK.
Friggin'
JK. Love you.
no, look.
I can't shank him anymore.
Daniel
for
throws
fuck's
all
sake.
his rice at me. I know it's sly negative, like beats me up every single day. And, why? You know,
That's
James throws
racist.
chicken at me. No, I'm nearly dead
course.
already. I haven't even played for more than 3 seconds and I'm already
I'm
dead.
getting raped here.
Yeah,
My mum heard me say wanking, guys.
Wait, what is this?
Oh, I've got an EMP block.
What is it?
Oh my god, I literally haven't
gonna
been
use
live
it.
for more than 3
I'm
seconds.
gonna use it.
Aggi's gonna cut his video now and he's gonna be like, hi guys.
Hi guys!
Oh, I'm dead. Nothing. Oh,
That
what?
did nothing. That literally did absolutely nothing. Like, how did that do 0 damage, even though it hit him head on? Shut up, Taylor. Seriously, you have no business being. That's gonna miss everybody. You know, I can back. Yeah. Snailer, you're gonna win this.
Easy win. I haven't even got cats. Oh crap, I am at this game.
Oh, just throws
Pray-
curry
pray for
powder in my
Agassi.
eyes, and you know.
That's
James throws
racist.
chicken at me. No, it isn't racist, because you do. Every single day, you bring a jar of Rallentando curry to school, and then you throw it in my
Oh my
in
days.
my eyes.
That-
Hi, in my tutor. I'm getting bullied all the time. I mean, no, Sly Norn.
Fly porn.
Sly porn.
What?
Oh, thanks for the gift.
Oh, he nearly hit.
Oh,
Oh, for flip's sake.
Rex Nilfak. Oh, by the way, his link will be in the description. Right, let's do another one. Oh my god!
My days.
I have a cactus as well.
I need to run.
Oh wow, they all moved out.
Rod.
My days.
Apart from me. Oh my god.
Oh my days. Oh my. That was so weird, that deflection.
Please.
Wow, I did a lot of damage. Oh, I have
Silly
throwing
balls.
stars. Lovely.
Have silly balls.
Lovely. Silly balls? Oh, you like silly
Yeah.
balls, don't you?
Yeah, you do
Oh
like
yeah,
Love
love silly. Oh no, Aggie!
Oh my god, what is that? What was
Oh
that
my
ninja
days.
star thing?
Oh my god, 50 damage. 70 damage, 80 damage, 90 damage. 90 damage, boys.
Ooh. You then.
Demons 2 OP.
Oh my god, look at these roasts. Oh.
Yeah, I'm dead as well. So no shit.
Why did I wreck?
Okay, yeah,
I
think
did
I've
5
ripped
damage.
4 of us. Rip.
That's always a good thing.
I don't know if that's gonna happen. Oh, the moisture.
Do you have aimbot?
Okay.
Yeah, you didn't move.
Oh, my days. I just died.
Moist, a bit like a ham
Correct.
sandwich.
Whoa.
Oh, whistle.
Getting a little bit
1v4
into it
clutch. 1v4
Not
clutch.
intimate. Very.
You got this, daddy.
Chuck a grenade at them.
1v4 clutch. It's easy.
I can't, mate.
Bearing in mind, there's one guy who still has like full armor. He has 7
Oh,
HP.
fuck.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Oh, 1v4 clutch still. Whoa.
Which weapon?
No,
Who wants
why
to go
would
surfing
you?
after
Why
this?
did you use the user, man? Oh wait, you only get one weapon.
Yeah, you only get 1 shot. Rip.
It was
Is that finishing off your videos, guys?
No. Fine, fine. Right then, because you know we're gonna start playing Counter-Strike in a second. Right. So hope you
Oh,
enjoyed that
what's our
video,
YouTube
guys. That
channel?
was some SHELLSHOCK Live, and I've never done that before.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, check this out,
Thanks for
man.
Wait, wait.
watching. Subscribe and
Jump
like
off
and
a
all that
bridge.
stuff, and you know, like subscribe to Fizzball Jack because he's sick and he's dabbed by dad. And yeah, I'll see you in the
Give me a
next video.
sec.
Goodbye.
Kill yourself.
You kill yourself,
Well, so here you go, mate.
Oh,
dude. Why'd you
There you
have to
go.
be so
oh
mean?
I've still got an hour until this ban, man. Now.
Whole hour.
My
Oh my god.
my
How will you
days, look at
survive?
the new CSGO merchandise.
Yeah, I know. I see
Everybody,
it.
Taylor got banned because like he he got kicked too many times and he's.
No,
I'm gonna go find a surf server.
Well, yeah, no, that is true.
I'm
yeah.
gonna play some.
I got kicked and then I
Right.
got banned.
Well, yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You won't get